Nope. So I hate it when this happens. I mean, you can try and use your hand to get the stuff out, but it doesn't always work. I like to use a steamer. This is my steamer. I've got a little extension for it, like that. Check to see if the steamer's ready. Then this is also possible to show one-handed, but steamer. That usually loosens things up a little bit. Just take them out one at a time. Steam, grab, repeat. Okay, we're getting there. More to do. It's important to get everything. So make sure you get the steam back. This is where my ice was up in here. So make sure that's clear. Make sure this area here is clear, because that's where sometimes if it's frozen there you can get some fan noise. That's part of the housing, so that's not ice, but make sure it's all clear in there, and make sure it's all clear up here as well. And then dry it out, and you should have ice in 12 hours or so. Don't forget to put your ice bucket back in. If it doesn't go in smooth like that, then you gotta rotate the thingy at the end, so it lines up with the other thingy at the back. There you go.